Hey there everyone, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're here with the DJI Osmo Pocket and we're using the face follow feature, but what I'm trying to do here is use this with backlight behind me. One thing that the DJI Osmo Pocket's been having trouble with is focusing on the face. Well, the face tracking may work, and I go back and forth. What has happened a lot of the time is that if there's something bright in the background, it'll focus on this rather than focusing on my face. So I understand right now that I'm probably going to be this kind of dark shadow in front of light, but I just want to see how good of a focus it'll be getting on me here. So with the face following feature, I actually haven't used it this far back. Now it's just sitting on a table in front of me. I'm usually holding this. So this is a first for me. So if I need to grab something over here, it still recognizes that I have a face. If I need to grab my drink over here, it still recognizes it too. And now that's saying even with a light right behind me, which should be causing some problems for it. Now let's say instead of facing forward, I go to the side. Now I can't really see. Has it lost me? No, actually it has me. Let's do the other side here. Go to an extreme, like I need to get something really far away. Nothing. Oh, it lost me. It lost me. And can you get me back? Is it too dark? I think it's too dark to regain. All right, so that is one problem. Oh, I think it got me. No. On the screen here, I'm seeing this little yellow box, which is, it's currently on my face. So I believe it has me, but if I move back, is it gonna, nope, it doesn't have my face. So moving that far out of the way, turning my head to the side, that made it lose it. So let me know what you think here. It's a little bit unfortunate that I can't get better face following, but these are the worst conditions. Like light should be on me, not behind me. But that's a little bit disappointing here, but I mean, this is to the extent I would have much better lighting on me on the front here. But let me know how you've been doing this. Are you using this for vlogging? Are you using it in the same way that I am here? How have you been using it? Just let me know. I think this is one of the most amazing devices, even with its shortcomings. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.